Hello everyone, so I RV is back with a video. Our today video topic is accessory parts of eye, which means today we gonna discuss about parts other than eyeball. So here I have list of the parts we gonna discuss in our this video. So firstly we talk about orbit, then eyebrow, eyelid, eye glands, lacrimal apparatus, extraocular muscles. This video is important because I want you all to let know that these parts are also play an important role regarding our eyeball. So let's just start it with orbit. So yeah, here as you can see, orbit is a cavity which is present in skull. As our eyes is also in pair, so orbit socket is also in pair, and it is a part of appendages, eye appendages. Okay, in an adult human, the volume of orbit is 30 millimeter, in which our eye occupies 6.5 milliliter of volume. The orbit is conical and four-sided pyramidal cavity. It has base, apex, and four walls. So it's not basically a circular structure. It has four-sided pyramidal cavity. Okay, there are seven bones present in an orbit, which you can see in this diagram. So here you can see the light orange part is frontal bone, then that yellow part is sphenoid, then the green part, as you can see in this temporal side view of image, that green part is lacrimal apparatus, lacrimal bone, and the dark orange part is ethmoid. Purple part is maxilla and the blue part is zygomatic. When we are discussing orbit, it is necessary for you to learn these seven bones in an orbit. So now the next thing is we're going to talk about eyebrow. There is not much about eyebrow to talk about. It has its very specific function, that is it prevents our eyes to get with sweat, water or other debris. Okay, so it simply stops our sweat from our forehead to come into our eyes. It prevents it. It has short hairs, and as you all know that eyebrow plays an important role in human communication and facial expressions, the cosmetic use, the looks and all. So yeah, now our next topic slide is about eyelid. Eyelid is a very important part because it is a thin layer of skin which protects the eye. As any wind or any jerk we felt towards our eye is suddenly just blink, just shut off itself to prevent or to protect against it. So our eye or eyelid contains muscles which is either controlled voluntarily or involuntarily. Human eyelid has eyelashes to protect, as I told you. Then important function of eyelid is to spread tears for the nourishment of cornea, otherwise it will dry up and you can be feel like it's hurting or it's paining in the eyes. It's called dry eye disease. We gonna discuss it on any other video. So yeah, next is eye gland. So as you all can see, our eye has various eye glands in it. Example like sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands are modified sweat glands. Okay, then sweat glands, tear glands, and important meibomian gland. It forms the lipid layer in the tear which helps in evaporating the tears. Because of that, our tears does not evaporate easily. Okay, it maintains tears staying capacity. So tear glands are help us to lubricate our eyes. Every small amount of tear is always spreaded in our eye because of our eyelid, and the lacrimal gland is also there, which helps in the formation of the lacrimal gland secretes tear, which either we feel cry like emotional or it's for our eye. So yeah, to wash debris and all dust particles. So here is the location of all the glands in the eye, as you can see in the diagram. Here is many glands like Meibomian glands, glands of Moll, glands of Zess, crypts of Hanlin, glands of Wolfring, bulbar conjunctiva, glands of Cross, lacrimal gland, etc. etc. All glands are present here, the location. So here is some information about the glands also. Meibomian gland is present about 30 to 40 in number in the upper lid and 20 to 30 in number in the lower lid. They are modified sebaceous glands and their ducts open in lid margin. Now the gland of Zess, sebaceous glands open into eyelash follicle. The glands of Zess are present in the eyelash follicle, in our eyelashes, in the hairs of eye we have. Okay. Then accessory lacrimal glands of Wolfring. These are present in the on the tarsal plate. Then glands of Moll modified. These also are modified sweat glands, which is situated in the hair follicle. Most of the glands are present in the hair follicle of our eyelash. So the glands and lashes are correlated with each other, or they help each other to function. So next we have our lacrimal apparatus. The lacrimal apparatus is responsible for the formation and drainage of tear. It consists of lacrimal gland which secretes tear and excretory ducts which are responsible to drain out the tears. Okay, so the lacrimal apparatus consists of lacrimal caniculi, lacrimal sac, nasolacrimal duct. These helps the tear to drain out through our nose. That's why when we cry a lot or when we feel emotional, our nose choke, because there is lots and lots of drainage of tears. So that's why sometimes our running of nose also started when we were crying or something like that. Okay, so yeah, our nasolacrimal duct is connected. So the innervations of lacrimal apparatus involve both the sympathetic supply and through the carotid plexus of nerves. These are the supply of lacrimal apparatus, like innervations of nerve supply and arteries. Okay, so next is it is the whole lacrimal apparatus. This is here you can see this thing is the lacrimal sac or nasolacrimal duct through which the tears drain out. This is the puncta. Through there are two puncta, superior puncta and inferior puncta. This one is inferior and this one is superior. So these punctas help the eye to drain out the tears. Okay, here is our lacrimal gland, this green one, where the tear formation takes place. Now here is extraocular muscles. Extraocular muscles are the muscles which help in the eye movement or in the movement of eyeball. There are total 7 eye muscles, extraocular muscles: the rectus muscles and the oblique muscles. We have 4 rectus muscles: superior rectus, inferior rectus, medial rectus and lateral rectus, and 2 oblique muscles, inferior oblique and superior oblique, and 1 levator palpebral superioris. This levator palpebral superioris muscle is help to move the eyelid or in the movement of eyelid. Okay, so here are the proper explanation of the muscles in according to their function. ठीक है. And now next is it is the location of the muscles. You can see this one, this one, this one, and this one. These four are the rectus muscles, and this is the oblique muscle. Okay, these are attached on the sclera part of the eye. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if it helped you. Help to spread knowledge and smile. Thank you.